Welcome to Oriora. This is the About page, and the whole stance fits in one line. Start simple, go as far as you want. AI can do an enormous amount now, and it's still a hassle to actually use. Jargon, keys to juggle, providers to wrangle. It's complex enough already, so no complexity gets added on top. We take out as much of the friction as we can, then get out of your way. The philosophy is one sentence. You're in control. That's the product. Control over what you run, what you pay, and what you own isn't an afterthought. It's what we build toward. And here's how that shows up. Managed AI has a daily limit. It exists so new users can see what's possible, with no API key required up front. But the best version isn't the capped one. It's bringing your own key. We actively encourage that. And we even support tools that consolidate many providers behind a single key. Settings ship with more options than most people need on day one. Start with what you need. When you want to go further, the controls are already there. Preferred models, quality versus cost, budget limits, extra integrations. Your data gets routed, and by our own choice, not retained. Prioritizing privacy was a decision, not a requirement. A few apps need a bit of extra setup as a result, but that's a small price for owning what you build. The AI cost goes directly to your provider. There's no opaque credit system. What you pay here covers the routing, the orchestration, and the platform. What you pay your AI provider is separate, clear, and yours. What you build here is yours to keep. Your preferences, your libraries, your knowledge bases. They live where you put them. There's a difference between renting a house and building one. And friction got removed wherever it could be. That's the whole reason managed AI exists. So you don't need to know what an API key is to begin. When you're ready for more, a setup wizard takes you from zero to connected in a few steps. It all sums up in one line. We built the roads, you own the car, the fuel, and the destination. Then there's how the whole thing operates. 3 commitments, each tied to a real product decision. Honesty, not hype. The router is on your side. It picks the best model for your task, and no vendor pays for the slot. Tools get described as they really are, and what isn't ready gets flagged. No dark patterns, plain dollars, no surprise bills, no lock-in. You own the output, full stop. Code, content, research. Deploy it, sell it, or delete it. It's never watermarked, never retained, never trained on, and server-side, nothing is stored longer than needed. And community as infrastructure, in 2 parts, what we share and who you meet. We share what we learn, from first steps to advanced, and the real value is the people working on the same things. Always open, free to read, free to join. It's also worth being clear about what this is not. Not a blank chat box. Every act is built to do a specific job. Even the ones you talk to are built around an outcome. You're never just handed an empty prompt. Not token credits. You pay in plain dollars for what you use. No coins, no points, no compute units to decode. Not a walled garden. Use it alongside your other tools, or wire it straight into your own product. It's an open layer you build with, not a box you're stuck inside. Not another software subscription with a 14-day trial. Top up in dollars when you want, or set auto top up yourself. Your call, never a default. Not affiliated with the model makers. No formal partnership, sponsorship, or endorsement arrangement, unless it's explicitly disclosed. And not the model maker. This is an independent product. The apps and the platform run on top of third-party AI models. Finally, everything above also exists in writing, the full set of documents covering terms, data handling, payments, and refunds. Each one is right here, and if you ever want a human, The contact address is on this page too. That's Oriora. Start simple and go as far as you want.